This is all on one device. This one seems I wasn't expecting to have three different charging stations, and it's just incredible how technology has gotten advanced. And look at this. This is crazy. Like, just to see the whole scenario. It's very petite. The profile is real light. Now, this part right here, if you guys can see, it is for a watch, to charge watch. But look at this. You push it from the bottom and it pops out. That means magnetically, you could actually charge the device from here. Now, it's not over yet. You have a light here that you can turn it off and on. We're going to test that out. And then this is for your phones or if you have a mag tag, you could easily charge it up. We do have a device that we're going to try it on right now. But this one, I'm going to show you what it can do. So on this one, you lift it up, straight up. Look at this. It comes out. I'm going to show you the side profile. And that's a charging station for your actual phone, charging station for your AirPods. All right. So this is crazy. The whole scenario is it's just amazing. Of course, if you're not familiar with it, they also include the instructions, long cable, type C to type C, and then of course the brick, the connection, because a lot of these devices don't come with this one. They give you everything you need so you can set it up. So we're going to try it out and test it out. You have a phone to charge it. Look at that. It just came on right now. It started charging as soon as I put in a device to charge. The phone started charging automatically, and then you put your AirPod and your watch. So if you have your AirPods, if you guys can see, I have my AirPods in here, and all you got to do is put them there, and a little light comes on. And then if you have your watch, this could be any kind of watch that you have, as long as it's magnetic and you have it there, it starts charging. So you have all three devices charging onto the device at the same time. So it's one of those things that, look at that, perfect. This one fits even better in here. So I like that you just put it down, it just lights up. This is something I wasn't expecting, to have everything on one unit. It's one of those things that I personally like, because for traveling, look at that. You take it with you and you're set to go, set and forget. That's pretty much it. The whole thing itself, very simple to use. I was very pleased that you just plug it in and you can change the light modes here. It's too dark or in a dark place, or maybe you have it in your bedside and you want to just hit the button, don't want to wake anybody up. This is perfect scenario too. I like the whole thing, how slim it is and how easy it is to carry with you and take with you anywhere for your travels or as a gift too. So hope you guys enjoy this video.